everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to use the Audit Log feature in Recruit CRM and track user activity across your account. To access the Audit Log, go to the Admin settings from the left sidebar and click on the Audit Log option under Account Management. Using Audit Logs, you can monitor team activity, keep track of important changes, and maintain better visibility across your account. Before we begin, there is one important thing to note. Only users with account owner or admin access can view audit logs. This feature is available exclusively on the business and enterprise plans. Additionally, business plan users can create a custom role and grant access to the audit logs if needed. To do that, go to the admin settings, then users, click on roles and permissions, select the specific role, and from there, you'll see an option for audit log. Turn on the toggle for audit logs, then make sure to click the Save Role button at the bottom. That is how you can grant audit log access to a custom role. Heading back to admin settings and the audit log feature, one important thing to remember is that audit logs only store records from the last 30 days, so any activity older than 30 days will no longer appear here. Now, let's jump into the platform and see how this works. Once you're on the audit log page, you'll find a detailed record of activities across your Recruit CRM account. Let's take a look at the information displayed here. The first column shows the action and the module where the activity took place. Next is the Activities Performed by column, which tells you which user carried out that action. Then comes the Action Type field, where you can identify the kind of activity performed, such as creation, update, deletion, and more. Finally, you'll see the Date and Time column, which shows exactly when the activity took place, followed by the IP address associated with that action. This makes it easier to track user activity and maintain transparency within your organization. From here, you can sort the logs based on any of these columns. Simply click on the column name, whether it's action performed by, action type, or any of the others. The logs can be arranged in ascending or descending order. For example, if you select action type, you'll see the log update based on that field. If you're searching for something specific, you can use Add Filters option too. Filters allow you to narrow down logs using the same fields, helping you quickly locate specific activities, user actions, or time periods. This is especially useful when managing large teams or reviewing account changes. Here's how to do that. Click on the Filter option at the top, and you'll see the field types you can search by. You can filter by entities, users within your account, and other available criteria. You can also use action type if you want to search for a specific action that was performed. You can also select the time period, but it must be within the 30-day limit. In addition to that, you can enter an action in the search bar to quickly find matching activities. For example, if you type update, all the updated records will appear here. To view any action in detail and see the entity name or record name, click on the drop-down arrow next to the name of that action performed. You'll then be able to see the detailed activity log. Click on the Show Record option from here, and you'll be able to see the name of the record that was modified. Moving forward, let's see how you can export audit logs. Recruit CRM also gives you the option to export your audit log, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on the Export to CSV button. The logs will be downloaded to your system as a CSV file. This can be useful for maintaining records, conducting audits, or sharing reports internally. Now, let's see how you can schedule an audit log report. This feature is specifically available for account owners. By clicking on the Schedule Audit Log Report button at the top, you can automate audit log reports and receive them directly by email as a CSV attachment. You can also add additional recipients from here, as long as those recipients are users in your account, and choose how frequently the reports should be sent: daily, weekly, or monthly, based on your preference. One important thing to note is that any action performed using the Recruit CRM API will not be recorded inside the audit logs. Only actions performed directly within the platform are tracked here. And that's how you can use the audit log feature in Recruit CRM to monitor internal activities, track users' actions, and maintain better visibility into your account.